see.
Just imagine there's an elf on Jeff's shoulder.
Just imagine an elf on my shoulder.
And my shoulder too. This table.
This table? Do you want me to get in first?
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Here's the light. What fun it is to ride on one whistle to play. Hey, jingle bells, jingle
See no lights.
I want to see some.
You see lights?
Yeah. Here we are.
Oh, there they are. That's cool.
If she wants to write a letter to sing. Thank you. Their letter to Santa.
Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Oh, they got a lot of them out there. It's a big old frosty.
Oh, look, there's Santa and Mrs. Claus.
Yeah. Well, look at that.
There is Miss Santa and Mrs. Claus.
She's like, I ain't worried about it. I'm gonna draw. I'm coloring now. All them elves.
That's the dolls. Oh. Are you good at seeing this? They tell you about how you want to sing to me. Your letter.
Say love, service.
Yeah, so they're almost finished, and so when this is done, yeah, that's all. So you can start walking that way. You got her.
Y'all go ahead. Y'all go ahead. I'll be right behind you. You excited, buddy? So Grace excited. She's gonna see Santa Claus. She got her letter ready.
Wow, look at that. Oh, I love you too. Thank
Say
you.
hi to Chippy, Santa.
I will say hi. Is Chippy being good? Sometimes he gets a little crazy. So you got crazy? You got any mischief?
Yeah.
Oh, well,
This is her party, right?
yep, that's right. I told him when he comes, he's got to be paid, okay? He can't get any mischief when he comes. So if he does, when he gets there, you got to call and let me know, okay? Write me a note and let me know, okay? Because I've given him strict instructions.
All four of us.
All right? So what's that one thing that you just got to have this year for Christmas?
Don't know?
You don't
You
know
can
yet?
write it. You can think about it.
Write me a note. Come back here a second.
Come on, everybody. Where's your ornament, baby?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, is that an ornament too?
Oh, it's a key. You have a key to ma'am? Yeah. 60 away. 5 golden rings.
4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. Surely sent to me.
8 eggs and milk and 7 swans and swimming. 6 geese a laying.
5 golden
rings.
2
4
calling
calling
birds,
birds,
3
3
French hens,
2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. My true love sent to me. 9 babies dancing, 8 eggs and milk and 7 swans and swimming. 6 geese a laying. 5 golden rings.
Well, Sarah Grace, make it go. Just make it move, make it go up and down.